Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how to access the engine bay fuses on a 2019 Ford Focus. This method should be pretty similar for other Focus models too, but small differences might apply. So let's try to do it. Step 1. The fuse box is located between the near side wing and the battery, with a big fuse symbol right on top. To remove the cover, release the single central clip on the right-hand side. Pull the cover upward, then slide it slightly to the right to unhook it from the left. Step 2. Next, we need to disconnect the two industrial connectors on top of the fuse box. Just lift the large lever on the right-hand side of each plug until it's vertical, and the connectors will come free. Step 3. Now, remove the fuse box by releasing the two clips on the outer right-hand corners. Step 4. After that, release the clip on the box to open the cover, and you'll see the fuses. And there you have it. Your engine bay fuses are now accessible. Just a quick note, this guide is based on my 2019 petrol Focus Street. Other models may have a slightly different fuse layout or setup. If this video helped you out, drop a like and consider subscribing for more DIY guides. Got questions or tips? Leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. See you next time.